Hi Virgos, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Virgos. Today's reading is going to be different, guys. So the first set of cards, it is going to be for your present and the past relationship. So that energy. And the next set of cards is for the future of your love situation, guys. So these are for the past and the present, guys. The first three cards. And the next three cards are for the future of your love situation, Virgos. So we will start with the present and the past, guys. So we have Ace of Wands, Nine of Pentacles, and Knight of Cups in reverse, guys. So in your situation, Virgos, in your past, maybe so you were really happy with this person, you were having a good time with them, or you are having a good time with this person, or you would have had a good time in the beginning of this love. So things were going towards some kind of an adventure. So you were learning so much about this person, understanding them, and that magnetic attraction, intimacy, and uh, that beautiful flowering of a new love was there in this situation for you guys. But today, maybe for some of you, this person, you feel that you cannot believe them totally. So maybe some things they say or some things they do, you may have some doubts on this person, or they may have some doubts on you, and you believe that you cannot trust them totally. In your heart of hearts, you know that something is missing. Maybe they are not like how they were before, guys, with you. So that kind of what to say, that interaction, or something is missing in this love. So that is your present situation, guys. So let's see what is the future of this connection, of this love. So we have Page of Cups, Six of Cups in reverse, and Judgment in reverse. So with these cards for the future of this love, guys, future of this connection. So your love, it is going to what to say, get back to that original form again, guys. So things are going to go in a positive way for you in future. So things will change. Maybe the misunderstandings or whatever, quarrels or arguments, whatever you have, so that is going to change. Maybe you will get that understanding. It may be some simple things you need to do in this love, in this connection, guys, for you, but it is going to change the way things are proceeding in this connection, guys, in this love. So maybe for some of you, there may be a good news in your future. Something is going to bring you both together. So it may be a good news in your career, or in their career, or in your life. You may be having a child, starting a family together. So some kind of positive turn of events that is going to bring both of you together. So you will uh, understand each other's role in this love, in this life together. So some kind of, you may be reflecting within yourself what is the right thing to do, and you may get that understanding, or there is a good news coming your way, guys. So that is going to make this love flourish for you all, Virgos. So that is what I see with these cards, Virgos, for that oracle guidance. Stay tuned, guys. That is coming up right now. For your general oracle guidance, guys, these are the cards. So, this is your first card, and this is your second card. So, you can think about your situation, close your eyes, and choose the card that comes to you first. So, that way the reading may resonate, guys. So, we will start with the first card, guys, after a few seconds of silence. Okay, guys, let's start with this card. Let's see what it is. It is Clean It Up. So, that is the card for y'all. So, with this card, the energy is it just means getting to the core of a situation, freedom from burden. So, every now and then we feel uh, bogged down by that emotional gunk that we have. So, maybe we are surrounded by clutter in our house or in our work situation, overwhelmed. So, it is time to clean the house today. So, everything that is out of place, everything that is not needed there, when it is there, it just occupies that place, and it, what to say, it creates a negative energy in our situation, guys. It takes up that energetic space. So, every unpaid bill or unnecessary thing, when it is removed, we are cleaning our energetic space. So, when we just make room for ourselves, we are uh, just giving more space for miracles to take place in our life. So, we need to make space for that positivity to come into our life, guys. So, anything unresolved you have to go for that, guys. You have to sweep it away today. So, that is the reading with this card. That is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen this first card. So, let's see what is the second card here for those who have chosen this card. This card, Mookaite Jasper. So, let's see. With this card, guys, the energy is that this is a time for you to go on a new adventure, maybe take few risks, experience that unknown territory in your life. So, the safe road is not the one you need to take right now, guys, because your soul is on the path of healing and it wants to experience that fulfillment and joy today. So, this crystal, it stands for uh, that adventurous mode of living, guys. Do not protect yourself, do not hold back from getting hurt. For this crystal is here to encourage you to take that leap, take that risk, have that confidence from knowing that universe is here guiding you each and every step of the way, guys. So you need to let go of your worries, your old beliefs. So step out and take that path, take that risk maybe. So you need to be on a adventurous mode and say no to playing it safe, guys. So this crystal stands for that adventure, and through adventure you are going to discover that wonderful gifts are waiting for you, new ideas, new people, new experiences, new possibilities are here right now ready for you. So all you need to do is to be bold and take that first step. So that is the guidance with this card, guys, for those who have chosen the second card. And that is the reading for today. Thank you for watching. If this reading resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know your suggestions. I will see you tomorrow with another reading. Bye, guys.